algebraic equations, quadratic equations. How to solve quadratic equations by factorizing trinomials. Look at this equation. We see that it's a quadratic equation. Why? Because of the x to the power of 2. We use the zero product property. So we manipulate the equation and we add 14 to both sides so that the left side is equal to 0. We factorize the trinomial. Do you still remember how to do it? You look at the last number, the plus 14. So your numbers in the brackets, the product of those two numbers must be equal to plus 14. And if you add the two middle terms, it must be equal to 9x. And it works. And the signs must be the same. It's very important that you revise your factorization skills. Now we can say that x plus 7 must be equal to 0 and x plus 2 can be equal to 0. Therefore, x can be negative 7 and x can be negative 2. Remember to always check the solution by substituting the negative 7 for x as well as the negative 2. Write this example down and try for yourself before you look at the answer. Use the zero product property. So you subtract 18 from both sides so that the left side is equal to 0. Now let's use factorization. Do you see the negative 18? So the product of those two numbers must be negative 18. And the sum of the two middle terms must be equal to 3x. So a positive 6 and a negative 3 work. 6 times negative 3 is negative 18. And 6x negative 3x will be positive 3x. So now we can say x plus 6 is 0 and x minus 3 is 0. Therefore, x can be negative 6 and x can be 3. Let us check the solution by using substitution. So, if x is 3 and we substitute 3 for x, we'll have 9 plus 9 and that is equal to 18. So the left side is equal to the right side. Let's try the second solution. If x is negative 6, then negative 6 squared is 36 minus 18 and that is equal to 18. So the left side is equal to the right side and x has got two solutions. Brilliant! In this lesson, we learned how to solve quadratic equations by factorizing trinomials.